Let's discuss some examples of big data and its benefits and outcomes. Starbucks connects with coffee lovers. Starbucks, a globally renowned coffeehouse chain, deeply understands its customers. Through its mobile app and loyalty program, Starbucks sends personalized offers and rewards to millions of customers. These offers are based on individual preferences and purchase history. For instance, a customer who frequently buys lattes might receive a special discount on a new latte flavor. By tailoring promotions to match customer preferences, Starbucks aims to enhance the overall experience and keep customers coming back. Starbucks has reported success with its personalist approach in driving customer engagement and loyalty through its mobile app and rewards program. Ocean Medallion at Princess Cruises. Princess Cruises, a major player in the cruise industry, has introduced Ocean Medallion, a wearable technology like Disney's Magic Band. This innovative device enhances the cruise experience by providing personalized services to passengers. The Ocean Medallion, a small and stylish wearable, can be worn as a wristband or carried in a pocket. It utilizes advanced technology to interact with sensors and smart devices throughout the cruise ship. Passengers can link their preferences and information to the Ocean Medallion, enabling a personalized and seamless experience. Before the cruise, passengers can provide details such as dining preferences, favorite activities, and special occasions. During the cruise, the Ocean Medallion helps Princess Cruises staff recognize passengers, anticipate their needs, and provide tailored recommendations. It can also serve as a digital key for staterooms and facilitate cashless transactions on the ship. Princess Cruises has aimed to enhance customer satisfaction and engagement through the Ocean Medallion, showcasing how wearable technology can transform the travel experience.